I'm making another of those stuffed loaves. Actually, they're really tasty, very easy, and feed you quite well for a day or so. So you start off with one of these round loaves. This one's a boule or boule, and we're just going to hollow out. The breadcrumbs you can dry in the oven. In fact, we've just whizzed up in the processor some dried bread from a previous one, and I'm going to use those in stuffed mushrooms. Extra treats. Let's get this hollowed out and buttered. So butter in, and then I often add cranberry sauce. It gives sweetness, it gives colour, so I'll put a bit of that there and a bit of that there. And then I'm going to add some cooked chicken, some sausages, maybe some ham, some Christmas stuffing. You know how you add hot water to this to make a sage and onion stuffing? I've got a theme going here. It's a bit festive, but it's quite meaty. I think this is for my cousin. I think he'd like that. Right, butter in, cranberry in, moving on to some meat, and then some stuffing. There we go. So the chicken is in, obviously turkey would do. I'm just putting in this and I'll smush this down. Then I think I'll do sausages on top and maybe some mustard mayo. Sounds nice, sounds good to me. There we go then. We've just taken off the cling film and we're about to cut and see. This is a day later and it's had a chance to settle in on itself. Come on then, show me the middle, Rog.
Half.
Sure, serrated knife. Stay still. Okay, so this was the roast chicken kind of dinner roll. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so some dried tomatoes at the top. If you don't like those, put just something else in. I can see sausages galore. I can see, oh, careful. I can see the turkey, I can see the cranberry. This chicken is the stuffing and the chicken as well. Yes, you're right, it's chicken, not turkey. Does that look nice? I think it's going to be utterly lovely.